Did you know that in the tech industry, not only coding skills are important? In the daily life of a programmer, in addition to coding, there are many other areas such as communicating with the clients, communicating with a team, managing multiple projects in the same time, completing tasks on time, and many more. But more about that we'll discuss in this video, so let's begin. Before we dig deeper into the soft skills that you need to develop or work on, let's first understand what we mean by the term soft skills when it comes to becoming a developer. This way, the understanding of it all will come more naturally to you. Having said that, individuals can achieve their goals, interact successfully with others, and work well together when they possess the soft talents that are referred as soft skills. In the field of software development, having good technical skills is essential. But having great soft skills can set you apart from the other candidates and propel you to success in your profession. But then, what could those soft skills really mean? Well, for starters, how you communicate is the first and foremost soft skills you need to excel in. If you even think slightly toward becoming a better in what you do as a developer, that's about right. Developers must be able to communicate efficiently because they frequently work in teams and must explain complicated technical concepts to stakeholders who are not technical. This means that with the right set of communication skills, you can express your thoughts clearly, gain your team's trust, and make sure that everyone is on the same page. Put another way, to create software that is useful to customers, programmers must first fully grasp what those customers need, and for this reason, developers with strong communication skills are better equipped to ask pertinent questions, clear up any confusions, and fully meet the client's expectations. While it is crucial that developers get feedback on their work and give input to other teammates, it is equally important that developers have the communication skills necessary to give and accept criticism constructively, which turns to better teamwork and higher quality software. Secondly, we all know that creating quality software is a group endeavor that programmers need to work together on their teams. Ultimately, developers who have developed their ability to work well with others, exchange ideas, and foster a cohesive team environment are invaluable assets to any organization. Good cooperation skills also allow engineers to share their expertise in areas such as database design and front-end, which benefits the entire team. This means that developers with strong collaborative skills can contribute to those tasks and build on the ideas on others, resulting in superior results. Developers need to be able to recognize and define problems, devise solutions, design solutions, write code that is both clean and efficient, test and debug their works, and continually improve their process. Software developers can become more efficient in resolving difficult issues and producing high quality software if they improve their problem solving skills. Then comes time management, which is yet another very important soft skill if you're thinking of excelling at what you do as a developer. To begin with, it is not uncommon for developers to be working on many projects at the same time, each with its deadline. The ability to prioritize their work, allow their time wisely, and keep the project deadline is made possible for developers by having a good time management abilities. This really is necessary in order to do high quality work and maintain positive connections with customers and other stakeholders. On the other hand, having the ability to efficiently manage one's time enables developers to work more efficiently and increase their overall productivity. Developers can concentrate on their job, hence complete tasks in a more timely and correct manner, where this is made possible by carefully planning their time and minimizing distractions. However, developers often have to find a way to balance different objectives, such as working on pressing issues while also making progress on long-term endeavors. Therefore, the ability to successfully manage time gives developers the ability to efficiently balance those opposite goals, making it possible for them to ensure that vital issues are addressed while still making progress on the significant initiatives. It is also important to keep in mind that developing software can be an extremely demanding and high-pressure profession. So, the ability to properly manage their workload and avoid burnouts is made possible for developers by developing good time management skills. Developers are then able to prevent the detrimental effects of burnout and preserve their productivity and motivation if they properly allocate their time, take breaks when they are required, and strike a healthy balance between their personal and professional lives. Last but not least, one of the most typical challenges in the process of developing software is known as scope creep. This happens when the need of the project changes during the development, which can lead to an increase in workload and possible delays. Meanwhile, the ability to successfully manage one's time gives developers the ability to efficiently manage scope creep by allowing them to anticipate challenges and alter their work schedule accordingly. All in all, because it enables developers to fulfill project deadlines, increase productivity, balance conflict goals, minimize burnout, and limit scope creep, time management is a key ability to becoming a successful developer. The ability to efficiently manage one's time can further help developers become more productive and efficient, which in turn leads to improved results for developers themselves, as well as their teams and their clients. And where all that is important, there are a few more things that you should keep in account if you think being a developer is what you want to do moving forward. You are well aware that the field of coding is continuously changing, and you also know that for developers to stay up with the changes in technology and industry standards, they need to be adaptive and flexible. Soft skills such as adaptability and flexibility are vital for this, as they allow developers to modify their approach to their work and learn new abilities as the situation calls for that. On the other hand, developers who work directly with customers need to have developed soft skills such as empathy and customer service. It is crucial to be able to understand the demand of the client and work together with them to reach their goals, to develop strong connections and successfully deliver projects. At the very least, to succeed in one's profession, it is necessary to possess soft skills such as leadership and the ability to manage one's time efficiently. Developers who can successfully manage their times, lead teams, and connect with the clients have a greater chance of succeeding in their job and moving up the ladder. To summarize, developing your soft skills to a high level is essential if you want to become a developer, since it paves the way of successful teamwork, problem solving, adaptability, customer service, and professional growth. Developers can become more productive at their work, produce successful projects, and advance in their careers if they have excellent soft skills. The last thing will be that recently creating a poll on LinkedIn to see what people think about soft skills. From 58 votes, 84% of them are from people that think soft skills are important in both HR and technical interviews. But for the importance of soft skills in the interview process, I will talk in another video where I will tell you about some of my experiences, and in one particular case they didn't even ask for any technical questions. But that's all for today. Till next time, stay safe.